Good morning, children. Yes, we have already started the unit, right? Yesterday we have finished hen song. Now, in the same unit, unit number 1, poem number 2, right? The unit number 1 and the poem number 2, the tickle rhyme. The tickle rhyme. We will learn the poem, the tickle rhyme. So children, many of you have not got the textbooks, right? I told you to draw one small hen and a egg from which a chick is coming out. You have not drawn that. Those who have not drawn, they can draw it. Take the help of your parents and you can draw that. Okay children? Now today, let us start the poem, second poem, the same unit. We will read it. Let me write, we will read the poem. So, open the textbook, page number 10. Okay, open it. See children, I have drawn a picture of a small, what is this? Caterpillar, right? Baby of a butterfly. How the butterfly forms? First, it will be a small caterpillar, right? And the wall. See, this poem is all about the conversation between a caterpillar and the wall. Okay? See, who is that tickling my back? Who is that tickling my back? Asked the wall. See, that wall is asking to that caterpillar, who is that tickling my back? Asked the wall. Me, said a small caterpillar. What that caterpillar replied? Me, said a small caterpillar. I am learning to crawl. How the caterpillar will crawl? Have you ever seen? No? Okay, see here. The caterpillar, it is crawling on that wall's back. Yes? That wall is getting giggle, like laugh. It's getting laugh. That caterpillar replied, I am learning to crawl. Yes, I am learning to crawl. The caterpillar, it is learning to crawl on that wall's back. Right? For that, the wall is getting laugh. Right, children? If someone will do the giggle, if someone will do the tickling to you, you will get laugh. Right? Yes. The same way, the caterpillar, it is crawling. It's learning to crawl on that big wall. So children, when you are writing the poem, you can draw a wall, caterpillar, right? It looks nice. Then you have to write the poem. See, W-H-O, who. That wall is asking who. Is that. T-H-A-T, that. Tickling, tickling. T-I-C-K-L-I-N-G, tickling. My back, B-A-C-K, back. A-S-K-E-D, ask. You ask. A-S-K-E-D, ask. The wall. W-A-L-L, wall. Me, M-E, me. We have learned the two-letter words, right? Me. Said, S-A-I-D, said, a small, S-M-A-L-L, small caterpillar. 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 I am. See, we have learned this two-letter word. No? I means I am. I am learning. Learning means learning. Learning to. To. Crawl. 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 And who is the poet? Ian Serlier. Ian Serlier. He wrote this beautiful poem just to make you laugh. Right? Isn't it a nice poem? Yes. What you have to do, children? This is your class work. And the poem you have to by heart it. You have to read 3 to 4 times. You have to by heart the poem. Okay? And one more time you have to write it. So what is your homework? Let me write your homework here. Your homework, you have to write one time and by heart. Okay? You have to by heart the poem. This is your homework, children. Okay? Write very neatly. Read the poem. Okay? And show in a mimic way to your parents how the caterpillar is crawling. Will you do it? How to crawl on the wall? Don't go to the wall. Okay? On the floor, you can try to crawl and show it to your parents. Okay, children? This is your work. Now, I will show it to you in your 4-line notebook. How to write. Okay? And those who don't know which letter should write in which line, go to the previous videos or classes. You can see there I have explained to you how to write the small letter words in 3 upper case, middle case and lower case. Right? See the video and touch the lines and write very neatly. Okay, children? Let me open the notebook and show it to you. See, children, yesterday we have already finished the hen's song. See here, the tickle rhyme. How that wall is getting laughed when that small caterpillar is learning to crawl on its back. Who is that tickling my back? Right? That wall is asking, who is that tickling my back? Asked the wall. Who is that tickling my back? Asked the wall. Me. How you have to say? Me, said a small caterpillar. I am learning to crawl. How that caterpillar replies? I am learning to crawl. So children, you have to write this poem one time as a classwork, one time as a homework and by heart it. Okay? And who is the poet? Ian Serlier. He wrote this poem. Ian Serlier. So children, do your work. Let me show you how to write in your 4-line notebook. See here. Put the date 3rd of August 2021, Tuesday. Unit 1, the tickle rhyme. You can write here poem number 2. Okay. You can write poem number 2. One hen song already we have finished. This is the poem number 2. The tickle rhyme. Who is that tickling my back? See children, how many words you can fit in the one line, you do that much only. Don't try to mix up the words. You have to give the space between each word. Understood? Don't mix it up. Asked the wall. Me, said a small caterpillar. See children, uppercase letters When you are starting the poem, you have to start with the capital letter, and the middle case, uppercase, lowercase. You have to concentrate on each letter. Okay, don't do any mistakes. According to their case, you have to arrange the letters. Okay, and don't forget to give the space between the words. See, one pencil gap is there after every word. Okay, children, do neatly your homework. Write very neatly by touching